sir.
One minute, sir.
Sir, tell me.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Again.
Sir, good evening. I am
Sir.
from
Yes.
Nirmal, sir. Sir. Sir.
Yes.
Nirmal, sir.
Yes. You
చెప్పండి
can
నిర్మల్
talk,
నుంచి అడగండి
please.
నిర్మల్ నుంచి అడగండి ఏం అడుగుతున్నారు నిర్మల్
You
నుంచి
can ask.
అడగండి నిర్మల్ నుంచి క్వశ్చన్ ఓకే నో ప్రాబ్లం సో as we have been discussing that a model question paper we are expecting this type of question paper but we cannot say that this is a final question paper sir so as a part 1 we have general studies we have some examples of this objective questions and we have some subjective questions topics like Swachh Bharat or NEP 2020 Indian polity article, recent developments in Indian polity, Indian what you call current events. It could be many questions, okay? Even COVID-19. Then when it comes to part 2 pedagogy 25 marks, शायद आपको pedagogy में तालीमी नफ्सियात में बहुत सारे सवालात तदरीस से मुताल्लुक और इक्तिसाब से मुताल्लुक नशोनुमा से मुताल्लुक related to child development. You may get many kind of questions in pedagogy
Good
as well
evening.
as you may. Yeah, good evening. చెప్పండి రామ్ సార్
సార్ నేను శ్రీధర్ సార్ నిర్మల్ నుంచి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను సార్.
చెప్పండి
సో ఇంగ్లీష్ జేఎల్ కి అప్లై చేశాను సార్. సో లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ కూడా అప్లై చేశాను అంటే
అదే నేను అదే అంటున్నా మీరు లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ కనిపించారు నాకు ఎక్కడో సుమిత్ సార్
సార్ ఓకే సార్ అయితే ఆల్రెడీ ఐ హావ్ ద 18 years of experience in the subject sir
వెరీ గుడ్
but last year he rejected my experience certificate so this year also I applied for that one sir so ఇందులో మనకు కాంటెంట్ ఉంది కదా సార్ 24+26 ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ అండ్ సబ్జెక్టివ్ సో సబ్జెక్ట్ నుంచి మనకు ఏమి ఇస్తున్నాడు సార్ కాంటెంట్ అంటే రిలేటెడ్ టు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సిలబస్ ఇస్తున్నారా లేదు
ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్
ఇంగ్లీష్ సార్ ఇంగ్లీష్
సార్ ఆర్ఎల్సి సార్ ప్లీజ్ రిప్లై సార్
ఇంగ్లీష్ జేఎల్ సార్ సో అందులో మనకు మెథడాలజీ ప్లస్ జనరల్ స్టడీ కాంటెంట్ వచ్చేసి
when it comes to English you can see
Sir.
you can expect questions from see this general studies is very common pedagogy general studies for all it's very common for all but when it comes to specific the subject you can
okay sir from related to intermediate sir from the intermediate syllabus or out of the syllabus sir
no both you will get some IP questions will be there as well as some PG level questions will be there they will check
from the IP or
చెప్పండి ప్లీజ్ వినండి
from the IP sir
చెప్పండి
yes చెప్పండి sir
yeah not completely from IP only to some extent for example you have basic English grammar and
okay sir for
and ELT English language teaching like you have methods approaches and techniques and you can expect questions from assessment evaluation and assessment testing evaluation and assessment you can expect questions a few questions from phonology syntax morphology and you can expect like from see it is divided into 3 parts one is literature next language next linguistics so this basic they don't go very deep but they will try to test your basic knowledge in these areas when it comes to English paper English syllabus
what we can expect for commerce sir
like
see we cannot
commerce.
exactly say the topic
yeah
better is go through the textbooks of IP intermediate as well as PG level these are the main source.
please you please sir Jamil sir just let we can ask them to go through the previous year's paper so that they will get some idea like jail recruitments exams
jail
conducted by
TSPSC
and last time TRE IRB tribe also conducted a couple of tests so
yes.
please go through these papers the previous year's papers so that you would get better idea
सर कह रहे हैं कि लास्ट ईयर का जो जेल रिक्रूटमेंट हुआ
okay
था
thank you
TSPSC की जानिब से ट्राइब की जानिब से उसके क्वेश्चन पेपर्स अगर आपके पास हैं किसी के पास, तो कहीं से भी आप फराहम कर लो, या ना तो ऑनलाइन पे भी आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर्स, प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर्स अवेलेबल है, वो थोड़ा एक बार देख ली तो थोड़ा आइडिया आता है आपको कौन सा टॉपिक किस तरह आपको कौन सा सवाल पूछा जा रहा है। तो गुज़िश्ता पुराने पेपर्स आप लोग देख लो। ये पेडागॉगी पार्ट 2 में पेडागॉगी 25 मार्क्स का, यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल तो क्वेश्चन भी दिए गए हैं, एंड यहाँ पर सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस भी आपको पेडागॉगी पार्ट 2 से यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं, और पार्ट 3 में कंप्लीटली आपका सब्जेक्ट होता है। पार्ट 3 में भी आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन है, फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पर एग्जांपल 2-3 क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं बॉटनी के क्वेश्चन के, बॉटनी के सार बनाए तो बॉटनी के क्वेश्चन है, यहाँ पर इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो। एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस, आपका पीजी लेवल एज वेल एज आईपी लेवल के यहाँ पर क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पर देखने को मिलते हैं, और इससे ज्यादा यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं है। So it is very clear that part 1 is GS, that is 25 marks. Part 2 is pedagogy, 25 marks. And part 3 is your content
సార్ బాటనీ
subject.
పేపర్ కోసం స్క్రోలింగ్ చేయరా
ఏంది?
సార్ బాటనీ పేపర్ స్క్రోలింగ్
స్క్రోలింగ్ అండి, ఇది ఒక తీసుకోండి సార్. నేను సార్ మన ఆర్ఎల్జీ సార్ పర్మిషన్ ఇస్తే ఈ పేపర్ గ్రూప్ లో వేస్తాను సార్. షేర్ చేయొచ్చు
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
मोहम्मद, बोलिए शगुफ्ता।
सर ऐसी जगह इंग्लिश का भी मॉडल पेपर मिलता तो अच्छा रहता सर।
वही सर क्या बता रहे हैं, सीएसपीएससी और ट्राइब के वेबसाइट पे क्वेश्चन पेपर्स हैं, आप देख लो।
अच्छा पुराने
या
पुराने
नहीं,
जेएल
पुराने हैं,
डायरेक्ट,
या नहीं तो कोई
अच्छा।
कोई आउटसोर्सिंग जेएल है जो लास्ट ईयर एग्जाम लिखे, उनसे भी आप
नहीं सर वो
contact-
पेपर टैग कर दिए थे सर, वो ले लिए पेपर
टैग करे भी तो थोड़ा याद तो रहता ना, इस तरह का पूछा गया
हाँ।
है।
Like
आपको
PG
pattern-
level-
English paper, sir. English paper.
Yeah, English
Jamil
paper,
sir. Like there is a like literary criticism.
సార్
They can
స్లోగా
expect
చేయరా
some
స్క్రోలింగ్
questions.
బాటనీ పేపర్
No, sir, shall I share this question paper, sir? In
Yeah,
WhatsApp?
yeah, you can.
I will share in the WhatsApp groups, you will get, sir. Okay, sir? No problem, sir. Don't
okay.
worry, sir. I will share this. This is just a kind
Yeah.
of, just a rough model paper based on the memory. ఆయనకు గుర్తొచ్చిన
That's it.
క్వశ్చన్లు చెప్తే మేము టైప్ చేసుకున్నాం అంతే. उनको पूछा मैं बॉटनी सर को, आपको याद है क्या होता है ना, बोले मैं क्वेश्चन पेपर वर्ड में तैयार करा, आप भी किसी को पूछ के बना ले सकते हैं अंदाजे से। दिस इज नॉट फाइनल।
सर आरएलसी सर कुछ बोल रहे थे सर
सर
इंग्लिश के
आपकी
लिए,
वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही सर।
आरएलसी सर क्या बोल रहे बोले तो गुज़िश्ता
इंग्लिश
साल
के लिए बोल रहे थे।
हाँ इंग्लिश के लिए सर, यू आर
Literacy
सर
सेइंग
क्या बोल रहे समझ में नहीं आ रहा सर, आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही।
ब्रेक हो रहे तो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है आपके पास। आरएलसी सर, यू आर सेइंग समथिंग अबाउट लिटरेचर, दे आर आस्किंग something.
Literature, yeah,
that is
since-
from
Sir,
our side,
why-
madam, no problem.
Yeah, since I am from like English
JLE, sorry,
literature
JLE,
JLE
background.
with Barkas, regular.
It is very
Yes.
helpful for us sir।
Yeah. So just that's what I'm saying. See, it would be in 3 parts.
Yes
Like you have questions from literature. Next, ELT, that is English language teaching, and next from linguistics. But you will be like it tests your basic knowledge in these areas, 3 areas. They don't go very deeper. It is very narrow, very much narrow syllabus.
okay,
So
sir।
please, which is why I suggest you to go through the previous year's papers so that you will get better idea, because they won't go
Okay.
that much deeper, very deeper. Take for example literary criticism. Under literary criticism, they may ask you to take for example under what else? Unable to suddenly unable to get.
Okay, no problem।
Yeah, there are certain theories. There are certain theories like Russian formalism. You have such theories. Okay, the basic. These are very basic questions. You can expect these basic questions from as part of literary criticism, and some important plays. Like take for
Untouchable.
example. Yes,
One-
Untouchable, Shakespeare,
Mulkraj
Shakespeare's
Anand
Hamlet, some plays, important plays, very famous plays like Hamlet, and you can say John Milton's Paradise Lost, and like Alexander Pope's Rape of the Lock, and Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. Like this, they will select a few important texts, and you can expect questions from these areas.
from PG level, na sir?
PG level. PG level,
Okay.
I cannot say exactly at PG level, but you know, just it is very much narrow.
Okay, sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
yeah, so you better, which is why I'm suggesting you to better go through previous year's papers, so
Okay,
that you
sir.
would get better idea. When it comes to teaching learning, sorry, ELT, you may be asked what is direct method, which one is
Oh.
better, the best method, like CLT, communicative
Hmm.
language teaching. You have community language teaching. You have Suggestopedia website.
Sir,
Yes.
pedagogy of English is there no, sir? In that commissions are there no, sir? Commission, hunter
Small
commission.
part. That is a very
The
small
commission
minute
also
part.
have-
Yes. Yes.
Commissions are there no, sir? Different
That the commission, that is the, as sir said, it's very
History
small.
of English in India.
Yes.
Again,
And-
more one topic are there, sir. Concept of approach, method of teaching.
Yeah, that is there. That
It is
pedagogy.
yeah, it is a kind of, you know, amalgamation. Literature, it is like a
And,
mix of all this poetry, like John Keats.
Yeah.
They're very important poets like John Keats, P.B. Shelley. So these are very important poets. So you can expect some questions from these poets, poems
Sir,
of these
that
poets.
also, sir. Grammar translation method and direct
Yes,
method.
exactly. That's what I'm saying. Grammar translation method. You have direct method, audio lingual method.
Bilingual method. Yeah.
Yes. So you can expect some questions from these, like, you know, who who invented that particular method. Such
Yes, sir.
questions may be asked in the examination.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Like
We are
which-
running after
yeah.
time. We have only
Yes,
1 minute
yes.
to
Sir,
be
thank you
closed.
so much, sir. Thank you so much for
I
your
would like
Sir,
to
can
information.
you tell
thankful
me
to
the
all the
website?
participants. No, you do one thing. If you have any queries, any doubts, you
Previous
can.
paper, sir.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
just you can
Sir.
contact. You can contact me. You cannot directly contact to our Alice sir. He's a district official. He's very much busy. If you want to pass any message, I will pass to sir. You can note down my number. I am also very much busy. Actually, being a principal, I am very much occupied with a hectic schedule over here. Anyway, but we are ready to serve the people, the needy people. So you just note down our number, and if possible, we'll conduct another session, particularly for Urdu, sir.
Okay.
Because उर्दू के
Okay.
बच्चों के लिए शायद मैं कल हो सका तो 1-2 दिन में मेरी बीवी है और मेरे मिसेस है, हमारे उर्दू के लेक्चरर हैं. शी इज an associate professor, sir. And I forget to tell about our Narasimha Dokka, sir. He is also a good research scholar from Telangana University. He is a research scholar and he is a doctorate completed from Telangana University. Sir भी PhD complete कर चुके हैं.
No, I'm from
research
English.
scholar हैं.
Iflu, sir.
in
Iflu.
English literature, yeah, English only. तो इसलिए आपको English का
I
सार
did
को-
I did my PhD from English and Foreign Languages University.
It's very good, sir. Very
I
good.
worked
Iflu,
for
yeah.
I worked for Palamur University as an
Yeah,
assistant
very good, sir.
professor.
Very good.
Yeah.
So thank you very much, sir, for being
Okay,
a
sir.
part of this.
Okay.
नहीं टाइम कम है हमारे पास. हम हो सका तो फिर एक सेशन रखेंगे. ये क्वेश्चन पेपर मैं शेयर करूंगा आपको. हो सका तो पीपीटी भी शेयर करूंगा. डोंट वरी. कल या परसों में एक उर्दू में सेशन रखूंगा डॉक्टर आयशा बेगम की जानिब से. आप उर्दू में इंटरमीडिएट की टेक्स्ट बुक और पीजी की टेक्स्ट बुक साथ में रख लो. उसमें से थोड़े हम मवाद को इंशाल्लाह कल डिस्कस करेंगे. सर, डे आफ्टर टुमारो आफ्टर सम टाइम वी विल डिस्कस ऑन उर्दू
Okay, sir.
with the help of
Sure, sir.
Dr. Aisha Begum, an associate
Sure.
professor of Urdu in Government Degree College,
Sure.
Zahirabad. उर्दू का
Okay.
हवायत, उर्दू का तालीमी तदरीसी तरीका और मवाद और उसका बहुत सारे उर्दू से मुताल्लिक पुराने सवालात हम इंशाल्लाह कल डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. अब हमारा सेशन खत्म हो जाएगा विद इन 1 मिनट, सर.
Thank you,
थैंक यू
sir.
वेरी मच.